Alright, we have a 2012 GLK 350 that we want to add a key to. Took about maybe 3 minutes to get the password for this car. Click OK. Insert the ignition key into the EIS and wait for 30 seconds. So let's do that. That's the original key right there. Alright, okay. Generating the key file, so I just want to put the new key into the IR keyhole. Now, it's frozen right now, so we're probably going to do it again because it shouldn't be taking this long. Oh, okay, it generated it. Protecting the key. Alright, so let's take this key out and let's put the new key in. Right now it does not function, the door or anything, because it's not programmed. It is programmed, but it's not fully completed. Now it's completed. And now we can push the unlock and lock button. Let's close the door so you can see that. So you can see it right here. Unlock. There we go, and it starts the car as well. Thank you so much. 2012 GLK 450, adding a key using the Autel Im608. Like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.